The new three-way tipper from MEILLER incorporates ingenious and groundbreaking innovations. Inspired by ideas from real people who work with our tippers day in, day out, sometimes under extreme conditions, and always with the goal of optimal performance. The result is a three-way tipper that meets every challenge with absolute ingeniousness. The MEILLER TRIGENIUS.
Im Entwicklungsprozess sind wir völlig neue Wege gegangen.
Our development process has been turned upside down.
Wir wollten wissen, was für Sie den Unterschied
We
macht.
wanted to get to the bottom of what would make the biggest difference for you.
Wir haben zugehört, Neues ausprobiert und
We listened, we tried new things, and we continued to optimize until we were convinced that it was perfect.
bis wir wussten, so ist er perfekt.
More versatile than ever before and ready for every task. Thanks to the weight-reduced design, the TRIGENIUS requires less operating power and increases payload potential. Ergonomically optimized to make your everyday work life easier. Robust and durable thanks to high-quality materials and state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies. And most importantly, 100% safe to operate at any time due to new functions and advanced accessories. A tipper that provides maximum performance at every level. Economical, reliable, innovative. Triple ingeniousness. TRIGENIUS.